When I watch it from far, so that they will know that we have started.
Now.
Hello?
All right, just speak to them that we've started.
Yeah? Has it started?
We are on already. We're live.
Okay, yeah. Good day, everyone watching us from here. So this is the burial of my dad, and we have come to the mortuary to pick him up and then to take him to the various locations we'll take him to. Going to his in-laws place. That's the first place he will travel to tell his in-laws that he is going home finally, and that is at Ibom in Ndowu. So the Ezendowu and Ezendibum will receive him there. So from there, we'll go to Eze Akano. Akano is compound, bigger compound. So at Akano, we'll now move straight to Eze Zagwo, the king of Amanagwo. So Eze Zagwo will receive him. Then we'll go to Eziogo. Eziogo will receive him. And then immediately from there, we now go to Ezikara. Ezikara will receive him. Then the final destination will now be from Ezikara to our home. So the place has already been prepared. So it will be lying in state in our home. And lying in state in our home there, we'll do the wake-keep this night. And everything is set already for the wake-keep. Thank you very much. So right now, we have made the prayers and he's in the we have put him in the ambulance, which we are using Sienna. So this time around, we will all go on convoy, and then we'll go to these various destinations. Thank you very much. So one of you will join me on the car. Thank you.
Okay.
So someone is there with me. Yeah.
Okay,
good. Okay. Okay. Tom, that's the guys. Okay, I back the lights.
Yes, no, come with the picture.
Any problem? Okay, you're back.
So, only in this uniform, not a person. Huh? It's a number of person.
Foi esse o doctor before you move. Tom, so the doctor.